You know, a lot of people refer to the dog days of summer. I've always thought about mid, especially to late February, as kind of the dog days of winter.
Yeah, we've definitely had those, George, but here's the thing. Breaking weather news. Wait till you see the temperature George is putting the 10-day.
Yeah, we finally pulled the trigger. Yeah, these are called 3 dog days of the winter, I guess.
Like that.
Yeah, absolutely. Been very cold here. Coldest night since 2017 here in Grand Rapids as we drop to 12 below. Nowhere near as cold tonight. 13 weather ball is red for not quite as cold weather ahead, and this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Temperatures recovered nicely into the low and mid 20s, at least from Grand Rapids westward. Average high is 34, so we were a dozen degrees below average again today. Came within 1 degree of our forecast high. We've done that 5 days in a row, and we've done, I think, 13 or 12 out of the last 13 days where it has been much colder than average after being warm up until about Friday the 5th. And that's 12 days in a row. And we're nowhere near the consecutive days below 32. We're halfway to 25, and the last time we did that was 1979. We're going to start out at 14 in the morning, above zero, climb into the mid-20s tomorrow, and there might be a few light snow flurries off to the south and east, but no impacts. Other than that, we had some sunshine earlier today. Now the high clouds have come on in, and that's going to keep us from getting as cold as we were last night. And the winds are going to be out of the northeast here tonight. You notice a little bit of that light snow. This is flurries off to our south and east during the morning tomorrow, and then we'll see mostly cloudy skies the rest of the day. Now skies may briefly clear tomorrow night, getting down into the single numbers where it does clear. On Friday there's going to be a little bit of a nice light snow flurry moving on through once again. These will all be no impact kind of systems, and then we'll clear out again on Saturday morning. So we're going to continue with cold mornings because of the fresh snowpack. We've been talking about that next impact system that's coming in late in the day on Sunday. You can see it starting to move in on Sunday afternoon and overnight, but now it's going to quickly move on out. So this will be just a Sunday night event, most likely while you are sleeping. Now here tomorrow, you can see up to an inch from about 3 Rivers over toward Detroit. This means flurries just enough to cover the ground and nothing to the north and west. This is the Friday event. Again, just typical flurries for this time of year, maybe a little bit more up there in Mason County. And on Saturday and early Sunday, not much going on. This is the Sunday night event coming on through. This is the one that will be enough to shovel and plow, maybe up to 2+ inches across the area as that then moves on out. Forecast for tomorrow, partly sunny skies to the north, mostly cloudy to the south. There might be a snow flurry from Holland southeast in the very late morning. Other than that, temperatures climbing into the mid-20s. Up north, you'll be mostly cloudy here tomorrow, heavily filtered sunshine with mid-20s, and from Grand Rapids off to the south and east. Again, we might see that morning into the early afternoon, light snow flurries. Temperatures, though, up into the mid-20s. 13 on your side forecast. Climbing above freezing on Sunday, or it may not get quite to freezing on Sunday. That's the next impact event, and after that, we're going to climb to probably 40+. They've pulled the trigger on that. We've had like 4 days in a row where the European models have said it's going to get to the upper 30s and low 40s, and that would last through at least Friday when we might actually see some rain.